life of the Rebel Hawk Bros. It's a good day. What's up, you guys? Day 2 of Quadventures. And yeah, as we're getting a little morning ride here. It's kind of a little damp out a little bit because it's the morning yet, but it looks like it's gonna rain possibly later on today, so that's why we're gonna get in as much riding as we possibly can today. And this is just gonna be kind of like a messing around, kind of a do whatever the Rebel Hawk Bros want to do today kind of thing. We'll get out the selfie stick, and because this is our last day for riding, because when you're riding these trails and you've got constant just the rough terrain of the trails, it just takes a toll on your body. And then, I mean, 2 days of riding is just it's almost overkill, because your body's just spent at the end of the weekend. And so that's why this is our last day of riding, and we're gonna get as much footage as we possibly can. But nonetheless, this four-wheeling trip was pretty fun. Rebel Hawk Bros approve. And once again, I'm sorry guys for the angle at which we have the GoPro in. You're probably looking at the freaking ground right now, and which sucks. But we got to make do with what we have, and sorry about that. We were not prepared. Oh no. Oh no, folks, it's kind of sprinkling as we speak. This rain, this water is coming from the sky. Rebel Hawk Bros do not approve of this. Gotta ride away from this weather. Get on the good sunny side of things. This is gonna be more of a attraction site kind of vlog, because yesterday really took its toll on us. So that's why we're gonna be doing a lot of the selfie stick, doing a little bit of fooling around, wheelies and that kind of stuff, and just kind of showing you the trails and kind of the sights in all of its glory. Mother Nature in all of its glory. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing today. Okay. You guys want to see some wheelie action? I should have kind of chickened out. Oh, that's special. That's what happens when you hit some dry ground. He's so cool. Watch out so I can do a few. Going through the abyss. Ah, shoot, I was spinning. Oh yeah. Yeah. He's saying, get up! Cue the rock music! What are we doing? Mother? Father? What are we doing? I kept telling you guys that we would do the selfie stick. Well, we're going to make this into a 4-part series. Selfie stick will be next time. Selfie stick will be next time in the next video. It'll be part 4. today would just be a few wheelies here and there, just kind of yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Come on, why do I do this? But we thought we'd get a little bit of this great footage of us on our quads, and because this thought would bring great content to the channel, so that's why we're trying to capture as much of this trip as we possibly can. And while doing so, I know the camera angle is aimed at the ground, and so I'm going to try to keep my head tilted up and see if that does anything, but I don't know. I hope you guys continue to watch all the way through, because this really is kind of a cool trip for us, and we think you guys would really like it. Kind of a different style, a unique style of motovlogging, more like quad vlogging or something. I don't know. And he's indicating the selfie stick, so yeah, well, we'll get at the selfie stick pretty soon here. We're gonna do some unique things with the selfie stick. My brother's so cool, so I've said that already once before. Oh, I was gonna wheelie there. Come on, brother, ride it out. Here we go. There we go. Ride it out. Ride it out. Smart. Good job, dude. Dork. He's a dork. There you go. There you go. I would do a few wheelies for you guys, but it's the morning yet. I'm just kind of getting a feel for the day, you know. But then again, I'm feeling a little rambunctious. But you'll be seeing plenty of wheelies throughout the day. So I hope that doesn't discourage you, doesn't turn you away from this. I don't know, folks. A few raindrops are hitting my windshield, my visor. Oh, I can see it. It's clouding up a little bit. But we're doing like my dad was telling us we're doing like a 8 to 12 mile loop, because my parents are feeling the effects of yesterday. Oh, excuse me. Yesterday was just brutal. It was just, man, it just took so much out of us. It beat the snot out of us yesterday. Because when I don't know if you guys can probably see in the video, the trails were just had so many ruts, and just my brother and I were just pissed off at the end of the day, because it just shook our bodies, and we're in so much, kind of hurt at times. Just our bodies are just in pure pain and agony after it was all said and done. We've rested and recovered, so that's a good thing. And I don't want to beat the dead horse a million thousand times. I'm beating a dead horse, and I'm shooting at it with a gun about 37 times. I don't want to keep reiterating what I'm trying to say to you guys. We're just going to use the selfie stick basically and get some cool shots. And that's how I'm going to end this. So stay tuned. And the camera angle, you guys can probably tell it's not. I can't even. It seems like it's definitely pointing downward. I hope that doesn't affect the quality of the video. Well, it's going to affect the quality of the video, because we forgot one of the little screws to attach. We forgot. You're supposed to have 3 screws to successfully mount the GoPro, but we forgot one of them, so we had to make do with what we had. We only had 2. But anyways, we're gonna be using the selfie stick anyways, and that only needs one screw anyways, so stay tuned for Quadventures.